Okay, so before I start, ada. Oke, masih ada yang baru masuk ya. Oke, so welcome guys yang baru join hari ini ya. So we already in the day 3 today. We talk about transportations for today. So yuk guys, ada yang mau coba practice with the box of vocabularies and then some things. Wait, let me mute all of you first biar suara tidak mengganggu ya. Okay. Okay, so let's start with Sis Aisyah. Bisa di-unmute dulu.
Okay. Hello sis.
Hello. Okay, so could you just help me to read from here, from by bus sampai ke taxi?
Taxi. Okay. By bus. Bus. Vehicle. Kendaraan.
Vehicle.
Vehicle. Bicycle. Bike. Sepeda. Bus station. Terminal. Car. Mobil. Motorcycle. Or motorbike. Motor. Freeway. Jalan tol. Highway. Jalan raya. Highway. Jalan raya. Highway. Rel. Jalan kereta. Train. Kereta. Airplane. Pesawat. Taxi. Ya, taxi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Thank you. Next, I'll go to Bro Altan.
Okay.
From subway to driving license.
Okay. Subway, kereta bawah tanah. Boat, kapal. Ship, kapal. Ferry, port or harbor, pelabuhan. Pedicab, becak. Carriage, delman. Price, harga. Back and forth or commute. Bolak-balik, driving license, SIM.
Okay, driving license. Okay, SIM, yeah. Okay. Thank you, Alta. Oh, well. I want to ask you something. I'm curious that because since that your voice is really like heavy gitu ya. Do you like singing?
Yes, I think.
Oh, you like singing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So I bet that your voice it will be like really good. Don't you think so? If you are singing something karena suaranya tuh kayak berat-berat serak-serak gimana gitu ya. Jadi kayaknya bakal bagus ya kalau sana nyanyi. Are you a good singer?
I don't think so, but my teacher hate me because my sound is so big.
Yeah, that's why. It's just because your voice is like loud. Tapi bukan loud ya, tapi kayak bukan yang loud, yang noisy gitu, tapi kayak heavy gitu. So it's really good. Okay, it's cool. Thank you so much, Altan.
Thanks, mate.
Okay. So this is the box of vocabularies. First is by bus. Jadi ingat ya, jadi cara bacanya bus itu bukan bus atau bus gitu, tapi by bus. And then vehicle, jadi bukan vehicle. Vehicle, and then bicycle or bike, ada bus station, ada car, motorcycle or motorbike, dan juga bisa juga pakai scooter. Kalau scooter juga bisa ya, kalau untuk di beberapa negara mereka sebutnya scooter. Ada juga freeway atau jalan tol, highway. Jadi kalau ada GH begini, itu nggak usah dibaca. Jadi nggak usah dibaca jadi kayak hike gitu, tapi bacanya highway aja. Jadi kayak tulisannya tuh ya udah gini aja, highway. And then ada rail, train, airplane, taxi. And then ada subway, boat, ship. Apa bedanya boat dan ship? Kalau boat itu yang kapalnya pasti lebih kecil ya, dan ship itu yang kapalnya lebih besar. Kalau ferry itu ya kapal ferry yang untuk kayak penyeberangan pulau. And then ada port atau harbor, dan ada pedicab itu beca, carriage, price, back and forth itu artinya bolak-balik, and bisa you can say it's commute juga, driving license. Okay, so this one. So let's play, guys. What do you think about this statement? There are 3 statements under. First is about traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light. Yang pertama itu katanya traffic jam di Indonesia itu dikarenakan pendeknya lampu lalu lintasnya. Lampu merahnya itu katanya singkat banget, jadi akhirnya menyebabkan kemacetan di Indonesia. The second one is traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by a number of vehicles. Jadi kemacetan di Indonesia itu disebabkan karena banyaknya kendaraan. Yang ketiga itu the last is traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster. Nyalahin banjir nih ya. Jadi yang ketiga itu kemacetan di Indonesia disebabkan karena bencana alam atau di sini spesifiknya adalah banjir. Kira-kira yang mana, which one is a lie? Yang mana yang kira-kira adalah sebuah kebohongan atau nggak bener lah pokoknya faktanya. What do you think? What do you think and why you
Number
say
3.
number 3, the third
Three.
one?
Number 1.
Number 1.
One and two.
Okay, 1 and 2. Okay, 1. Oh, 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Okay.
Three.
So, coba tadi yang bilang 3 doang siapa nih? Siapa tadi yang bilang 3 aja?
Me. Hey.
Oke, selain Altan siapa tadi yang bilang 3 aja?
Banyak.
Aja. Me too.
3 aja, Sis Daniati.
Yes.
Okay, what do you think? Why you say traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by disaster was lie? Jadi kira-kira kenapa bilang yang ketiga ini bohong?
Terkadang sih ini ya, kalau nomor 3 ini benar terkadang, tapi kalau
Oh,
emang
wait. Aku ke Sis Daniati bentar ya. Altan ya, bentar ya. Oke, Sis Daniati first.
Okay, thank you, Miss
Mhm.
Daniati. Why number 3 say lie because macet itu dikarenakan so many kendaraan, how to say,
Vehicles.
vehicle, so
Mhm.
many vehicle di jalanan, dan
Oke.
not the reason is banjir. Not the reason
Oh, so
is
the reason is not because of banjir ya, because of flood.
yes.
Okay, so for you, the reasons traffic jam in Indonesia is because of vehicle,
Yes,
numbers
so
of vehicle.
vehicle and people Indonesia
Indonesian. Mhm.
tidak diatur terkait kepemilikan kendaraan. How much?
How
How
many?
How many we have vehicle?
Okay. Jadi there is no limit ya for people for Indonesians to have a
No
vehicle.
regulation. Tidak ada pengaturan terkait vehicle.
Okay. What about you yourself? You prefer to take a public transportations or private transportations?
Me because I work and my office far away from my house.
Mhm.
Now I have I have a vehicle, so I go to work. Take a vehicle.
Oh, private transportation ya.
Yes.
Kendaraan pribadi.
Bukan kendaraan dinas.
Oh, oke.
Yeah.
Oke, cool. Thank you, Sis Daniati.
Thank you too, sis.
Oke, so what about number 1? Ada yang bilang tadi jawab number 1, siapa tuh? Traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light, katanya. Jadi, what about Sis Novi Baroto? Tadi jawab nomor berapa? BH di-unmute dulu.
Iya. Saya number 1.
Okay, so why? Why you answer number 1? Traffic jam in Indonesia is caused by short time traffic light.
Because full apa sih kendaraan itu, Kak?
Vehicle?
Vehicle. Oh, vehicle.
Oh, oke, berarti jama ya, sama. Your answer is just like the same with Sis Daniati ya tadi ya.
Iya.
Berarti because of the number of vehicle.
Karena panjangnya kendaraan itu loh, jadi terasa pendek waktunya.
Okay. Jadi because too many vehicles, the numbers of vehicle, that's why the traffic light seems like it's short gitu ya.
Iya.
Jadi kelihatannya pendek banget gitu.
Yes.
Okay, so where do you live? Which city you are from, Sis Novi?
Surabaya.
Oh, Surabaya. Okay, Surabaya. Yeah, Surabaya is pretty crowded, right? A lot of traffic jam.
Very, very.
Oh, okay. One thing that I know about Surabaya, I don't know, like, is that real truth or no? Surabaya is really hot city.
Yes,
Betul ya?
yes,
Okay.
right. That's right.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much, Novi.
Very welcome.
Okay, so is there any one of you that have bad experiences related using public transportations? Ada? Dan kalau seandainya nanti udah raise hand, atau maksudnya selain yang sudah raise hand ya, yang kalau nanti mau ngomong bisa kasih tahu namanya ya. Jadi for example, ya me siapa gitu, karena aku nggak bisa lihat nanti siapa yang itu. Ada? It's supposed to be tutor will tell about the experience using public transportations, but I don't think I have a bad experience related using public transportation. So I give it to you the chance. Like, is there any one of you have a experience using public transportation, but it's supposed to be bad experience? Kira-kira ada nggak yang punya bad experience?
Yes,
Ada? Siapa tuh?
Altan.
Okay, what about you?
I use angkot to go to school.
Mhm.
So there's a grandmother and she smoked. Dia tuh ngerokok banyak banget, jadi satu angkot
Grandma.
grandma loh, kayak
Lala.
bener-bener apa sih udah umur segitu loh, bener-bener loh, tinggal
Okay.
tunggu gitu loh, kenapa masih matiin waktunya.
Okay.
Nah, jadi dia itu ngajak-ngajak ngobrol aku kan. Nah, karena waktu pas itu kan aku masih kelas 1 kan, kelas 1 SMP tuh. Ditanyain karena aku pakai baju ini kan, taekwondo tuh. Jadi dadanya kayak kelihatan gitu kan, rada malu kan, itu publik kan.
Okay.
Nah, terus ditanyain sama nenek ini, mau kemana dek? Nah, aku bilang, jawablah mau ke SMP 22. Tapi ini SMP 22 ini bukan sekolahanku loh kak. Jadi kayak beda sekolah, beda ekskul deh. Itu beda tempat intinya.
Okay.
Nah, terus dia ini pas udah selesai ngobrol ke aku bla 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 bla. Oke, nah dia ini ngelempar puntung rokoknya itu tepat di samping celana aku loh. Hampir kena banget gitu loh rokoknya itu. Kalau kena rokok gimana ya? Itu kan panas kayak
Okay. Okay. So, and after that you complain to that grandma? Did you
no,
complain? No?
because she was too old.
Because she was too old.
Yeah.
Okay. So you didn't say anything at the time?
Yeah, if I yelling at her, banyak orang yang ngerumunin aku, ih kamu ini masih kecil. Kan Indonesia itu kan mulutnya udah gosipnya, panas banget.
Okay. Okay. That's your bad experiences using public transportation. Yeah. Okay.
Every day.
Thank you, Altan, for sharing. What about the other guys? Do you have any bad experiences using the public transportations in here?
Yes, I do.
Okay, siapa tuh? Oh, okay, si
I'm
Sophie.
Sophie. Yes. I had two bad experiences.
Mhm.
One is about a thief that
Oh, thief. Okay.
yeah, they took my handphone.
Mhm.
That the first, I think it's quite usual, right?
Yeah, just took
And
your phone just like that, atau kayak ada drama dulu sebelumnya?
yeah, yes, of course, drama, or something like,
Oh, it happened to me too. Yeah, I know that.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, and then the second was like harassment, sexual harassment, right?
Yeah,
Yes,
sexual
but not
harassment.
not to me, but to my
Oh.
friend.
Okay.
Yes, when we are going to go keluar ya, check out
Mhm.
from angkot also, and a man touched my friend bottom. Yes, and so I angry, and then I yelled to him. I said yes with very rude words.
Mhm.
So, and yes, and that's make me feel it's make me trauma if
Mhm.
I use public transportation. So right now I prefer to took like Gojek, Grab, and so on rather than public transportation. So sometimes
Okay.
sometimes when I take public transportation, I will like my eyes will see left right something like that.
Hmm.
I'm so apa namanya? It's very ada alarmnya gitu. Oke.
Oh ya,
Yeah, yeah.
you just like have like a self defense gitu ya. Jadi kayak hati-hati banget gitu ya
Yes.
jadinya. Oh, okay.
Especially where when a man beside me because they
Mhm.
sometimes just apa duduknya something like I don't know. I feel not comfortable when I sit too close with a man because yes, that too bad experience on me.
Mhm, mhm, mhm. Yeah,
Something
yeah,
like
yeah,
that.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, I can feel it.
Yeah.
I know how it feels then. Like, but what happened with the man that touched your friends? Yeah. So at that
No,
time, like, what happened?
he just said, what? I didn't do
What?
anything. Something like
Yeah, sosok what? Sosok pretender banget yang pura-pura what? Tapi it's
that.
all papa or like it's still young?
No, he's older than me. I think he's like 40 something.
Oh,
Something he's
okay.
bapak-bapak lah, something like that.
Mm.
Not young people. I mean, yes, he's about 40 and so on. So I yelled to him and what? I didn't do anything. I didn't do anything. But yeah, I saw you. I said that. Something like that.
Bullshit.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay,
But
that's really good sharing. Thank you so much, Sis Sophie, for sharing.
yes, and coach.
So this one, okay. And is there one of you that want to share about this one? So wait. Ada siapa tadi ya? Sis Fema. Bisa. Okay, sis, allow. Okay, so this one. Have you ever used carriage, sis Fema?
Carriage? What is carriage?
Carriage itu delman?
Oh, Delman. Yes. I guess.
Oh.
It's a long time ago, carriage, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When I was a kid, I guess.
Okay.
You know, when I
Yeah.
was a kid, there is people who ran the carriage. If I'm
Mhm.
not wrong, if in apa namanya, Cipulir, you know Cipulir? I guess time
Oh,
ago.
unfortunately, I don't know.
Yeah,
Where is that?
there is some people who ran a carriage. You know, it's
Okay.
when I was so little, I guess.
Okay. Where was
And I
that?
enjoy it.
Cipulir itu daerah apa ya? Jakarta.
Itu Jakarta ya.
Oh, Jakarta. Okay.
Almost Jakarta Selatan sih. You know, before Kebayoran Lama.
Okay. Oh, Jakarta tuh dulu pernah ada kayak gitu-gituan ya?
Ada dulu waktu ya.
Oh, okay. Okay. So it's just like a memory.
Uh-huh.
And after that you never use carriage anymore?
No.
Oh, nggak pernah lagi ya?
Mhm.
Okay. And then based on your opinion, do you think that our public transportation in Jakarta is expensive enough based on your opinion?
I guess not. You know,
Mhm.
I used to go by train or busway.
Mhm.
It's quite cheap,
Mhm.
and the transportation it's quite comfortable.
Mhm.
And but the transportation at the public transport station
Mhm.
lack of public transportation. I mean the armadanya kurang gitu.
Oh, okay. What about the MRT in Jakarta?
There was a long queue, and then
Yeah.
we have to wait for sometime for an hour for
But
the bus
MRT
wait.
it's better, right?
MRT, yes.
Uh-huh.
But when in the office hour,
Uh-huh.
oh my God, it's so full. It's so.
Oh, really?
What is that?
Oh, yeah. I think that it's just normal. It happened in every country, right? It's just like the same. Yeah.
Right. In every
Mhm.
country. Yes.
Okay, that's good. Thank you so much, sis Fema, for sharing.
Thank you.
Okay, what about sis Maulidina? Yes, sis Maulidina. What about you? Okay, so what about you? Do you think our public transportation is expensive in your city? I don't know, like where do you from?
Okay, I am from Bekasi,
Okay.
and I think the public transportation here is still cheap, but for the what is it, LRT,
Okay.
for the apa ya, weekday, on a weekday it's kind of apa ya, it's above 10,000, almost 20.
Oh.
When I go to the Dukuh Atas, the last station, it's almost 20. But it's okay. Maybe apa ya?
Itu just for
We're
weekend.
no, it's weekday. On a weekday when I go to work.
Oh, okay.
But it's for the weekend. It's just 10,000.
Oh, okay. 10,000 for the weekend.
10,000.
Oh, jadi
not
kalau weekend
crowded.
malah cheaper. It's cheaper on a weekend. Oh, okay.
It's kind of weird, but okay.
It's weird. Yeah, it's kind of weird, right? It's just like weekend. Sometimes that many places are always try to raise their price in a weekend. But then
I know.
okay.
I think it's still on promo, sis. I don't know.
Hmm.
I'm still using it right now.
Yeah. It's more like no choice, yeah, no choice.
Yeah. It's the apa ya, the nearest station in my area.
Okay. Which which public transportation that is your favorite, Sis Maulidina?
Of course, the LRT.
Oh, the LRT. What about Gojek? Something like that?
That's Gojek is one of my favorite also. Gojek is and Grab. No Maxim.
Oh, Gojek and Grab or Maxim. Do you have an InDrive there?
What about
InDrive? And InDrive is just like Gojek or something like that. Yeah, something like Gojek, but it's like more like Maxim, tapi dia you can just like apa ya, bisa ngecek apanya tuh waktu berapa menitnya, jadi dia nanti drivernya itu you have many options, so you can choose which one the closest with you, something like so just the driver they give you some options.
I just know it from you.
Ya, jadi ada tuh yang namanya InDrive. Gue kayak salesnya ya InDrive ya. Ya pokoknya intinya kayak gitu. Jadi InDrive itu kamu bisa pilih driversnya yang paling terdekat gitu. Kadang-kadang kita buru-buru kan, pas lagi dapet ternyata jauh gitu. Nah InDrive itu driversnya banyak, jadi dia sekali masuk langsung you can choose yang mana yang paling terdekat gitu.
I see. Okay, maybe I should try it. InDrive. Thank you, sis.
Okay, so thank you, Sis Maulidina.
Thank you, my pleasure.
Okay, so one more kali ya, yang cowok kali ya. What about Bro Eka? What about you, Bro Eka? What about in Palembang? Because I remember that you mentioned that you are from Palembang yesterday,
Yep.
right?
Yes, that's right.
Okay, so what about? I'm curious. It's more like about. Do you have any bad experiences in Palembang? Okay, so I've ever been in Palembang, and then the bus are crazy. Busnya tuh zaman dulu tuh suka kayak ribut banget kan?
Back then, yeah, but now we don't have like bus kota, city bus like that anymore.
Okay.
Yeah,
so,
we have LRT now.
Oh, LRT.
Yeah, the first LRT that built in Indonesia is in Palembang actually. Fun fact.
Okay. So if you can say that what should we change about our transportations in Indonesia? Apa sih yang bisa dirubah dari transportasi di Indonesia?
I think based on my experience, we have to like add like more carriage because or more line because like in Palembang, LRT just have one line, one straight line. So I think the government should add like bunch of number of lines of LRT. I think so.
Oh, jadi line-nya lebih make it more. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you prefer using public transportations or private transportations?
For now, for me, it's more efficient using a motorcycle than public transportation.
But motorcycle sometimes in Palembang it's pretty the weather is really hot too, right?
Yeah, it's really hot too. And sometimes it's like foggy, smoky, hazy.
Okay, wait. Okay, good. Thank you so much, Breka.
You're welcome.
Ya.
Raka, jurusan itu bahasa Inggrisnya apa?
Suaranya masuk lagi. Okay, so this is the things that you have to talk. It's a time for breakout room, guys. So this is the things that you have to talk in the breakout room. First is, do you prefer using public transportations or private transportations and why? And then the second one is, do you have a car sick or seasick? Car sick itu kayak mabok mobil, seasick itu mabok laut ya. And then if you have it, so how to deal with that? And then the third one is, what is famous transportations in Indonesia? Best on more like in your city kali ya. Okay, wait. Change this one.
Mabuk laut.
What is the most useful transportations in your city? And then why it's the most useful transportations in your city? And then, do we need driving license when we want to use vehicle? And then why? And I'm curious about this. If you have a choice to have if you have to get the driving license, the questions is, you will pay or test. Okay, jadi kalau if you have a choice to get the driving license, so you prefer to pay, you got what I mean, right? Like bayar aja gitu, atau kalian lebih prefer untuk ikut tesnya untuk dapetin driving license. Jadi kamu kalau mau punya SIM, kan itu ada pilihannya ya. Jadi udah mau bayar aja jalur cepat, atau kamu lebih memilih untuk ikut tesnya, cheaper but it's more difficult. People say so. So I don't know. What do you think, guys, about you? Okay, so these 4 questions. Wait. Ada yang tanya di Zoom ya. Sekali lagi, guys, jadi yang belum follow di Instagram, so follow me in Instagram, karena nanti relate with the mid test yang untuk tanggal di hari ke-10 dan hari ke-20 that you have to tag me in your Instagram. Only in Instagram ya. Jadi Rachel Selfie, it's my Instagram. You can follow me, and don't forget to follow Speaking Partner as well. Jadi nanti karena there are some tasks that you have to do in the break, nanti di meet ke-10 dan meeting ke-20. Seperti itu ya. This is my account in Instagram, but only Instagram, okay? And these are the questions for topic in the breakout room. Wait, let me break you out in the breakout room.
I'm sorry, sir. I don't understand about, do we need driving license itu?
Do we need driving license? Apakah kita butuh SIM ketika kita tuh mau menggunakan kendaraan? Karena kan banyak orang yang punya kendaraan tapi nggak punya SIM-nya ya. Anak-anak di bawah umur, for example, gitu. Mereka bisa naik motor kemana-mana, tapi mereka nggak punya SIM. Atau yang nggak punya SIM tapi bisa mengendarai mobil. Jadi menurut members, kira-kira butuh nggak sih orang-orang ini perlu untuk punya SIM ketika mereka mau mengendarai kendaraan? Gitu. Okay.
Terus kalau jurusan Lebak Bulus bahasa Inggrisnya apa ya, Kak?
Kenapa?
Jurusan
the destinations is to Lebak Bulus gitu aja.
Oh, the destination.
Okay. Let's go, guys.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, my pleasure.